Today we've been called to a caravan site where the client has complained that the protection on the pillar box outside is tripping. Let's have a look. As you can see, new service box, and if we open it up inside, we have it there, the new RCD protection, which is a fantastic improvement. This is great. However, with the old caravans, this now means that the interior switchboard of the caravan has to be upgraded. Switchboard inside does not comply anymore, unfortunately, due to the change in service box. So let's get that replaced for them. Testing, the fault has disappeared. Great job. So I hope you found this video helpful. But we're here in the electrical industry to make it better, to make it safer, and to improve the standard. Catch you next time.